This is the Black Max 2800 PSI pressure washer. This is powered by a Mitsubishi gasoline engine. I'm going to show how to do a basic oil change. The first thing I like to do is remove the bulky hose off the back. This is completely optional, but I personally do not like working around any bulky objects. Next, prepare a working surface by laying down some rags in case the oil drips. I prefer setting it on a countertop or a workbench for convenience. Here's the location of the drain plug. As you can see, the location of this plug is not ideal for clean and easy draining. Therefore, I use a sheet of aluminum foil to create a trough that directs the oil into a container. This has proven to be an easy and less messy technique. Simply tear off a piece of foil that's about 12 to 15 inches in length and fold it in half. Then, fold one of the corners under in this manner. Starting with that corner, tuck it beneath the base of the motor under the plug. Create a spout and a trough in this manner and tape it in place using duct tape. Position the foil trough over a pan or a container to catch the oil. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the plug and then remove it using your fingers. I recommend wearing disposable gloves when doing this. Allow the oil to run down the trough until there's no more flow. You may need to tilt the machine in order to drain it completely. I also recommend removing the oil cap to release any vacuum that could impede with the drainage. Once drained, return the oil plug to the unit. Hand tighten using a 10mm socket. Make sure you do not over tighten. You do not want to ruin the threads. Next, remove the foil trough and wipe the area down using an old rag. Now, remove the fill cap and prepare for adding new oil. Purchase and fill with 10W30 or 30 weight oil. You will need approximately 18 ounces. Frequently check the oil level by inserting the dipstick into the machine in this manner. The dipstick is built into the oil fill cap. You may need to repeat this several times until you reach the full level. Check the marks on the dipstick for adequate oil level. L is low and H is high. It is full when the oil reaches the last mark from the H. Always wipe the dipstick clean before returning it to its original position and wipe up any residual oil. The power washer is now ready to use.